Hello friends, welcome back to our channel CHAK with Knowledge. This is the only channel where you get all the important updates about banking. Dear friends, you must have heard about E-Rupi launched by RBI and may have many questions in your mind like maximum amount of voucher, charges, how it will work. Now, National Payment Corporation of India issued FAQs on E-Rupees which we will tell you in today's video, which will definitely help you to remove your doubts. So watch the video till end. Let's start the video. First we will tell you about what is E-Rupi. E-Rupi is a one-time use digital solution to facilitate cashless payment, which is person and purpose specific solution for various services like COVID vaccine, donations, corporate gift, voucher, etc. Now let's see who can issue E-Rupi. E-Rupi can be issued only by banks authorized by RBI to issue prepaid payment instruments and who are participating as payment service providers in the UPI ecosystem referred hereunder as the issuer. Next is what is the maximum amount for voucher creation. So maximum limit of each E-Rupi shall not exceed 10,000 or as defined by regulator. Next question is can E-Rupi be redeemed for cash or cashback? E-Rupi shall be permitted to be redeemed only for the purchase of goods and services from designated merchant bearing valid merchant category code MCC as may be defined by the issuer at the time of issuance of E-Rupi. E-Rupi shall not be permitted for cash out or cashback on redemption. Now let's see how many vouchers can be issued for a user. For one user, answer is up to 10 E-Rupi vouchers can be issued for one program on single mobile number per unique beneficiary. The requirement shall be configurable as per the scheme requirement. Next question is how banks can participate in E-Rupi issuance process. And the answer is banks are required to certify with NPCI for issuance of E-Rupi. Next question is how can bank get detailed information such as technical specifications, certification process, etc. Bank can reach out to respective relationship manager at NPCI for all such requirements. Next question is what are guidelines applicable on banks for E-Rupi? So the bank are requested to refer E-Rupi OC1 dated 27th September 2021 for broad level roles and responsibilities applicable on banks. Next question is what is maximum value for which E-Rupi can be issued? E-Rupi can be issued for 10,000 per voucher. Next question is what are form factors for issuance of E-Rupis? So E-Rupees can be issued in the form of QR or SMS string to the E-Rupee beneficiary. Next question is how is E-Rupee can be distributed to a E-Rupee beneficiary using feature phone? So the answer is issuer bank can distribute voucher to such E-Rupee beneficiaries in the form of SMS string. Next question is can a E-Rupee be reloaded with money? And the answer is E-Rupees are non-reloadable and can be issued one time only. Next question is any standard process defined by NPCI for distribution of E-Rupees? And the answer is there is no standard defined for distribution of E-Rupees. Bank sponsors can use channels such as emails, SMS, WhatsApp, etc. to beneficiaries strictly in digital form. Next question is can E-Rupi can be distributed in point form? So E-Rupi is permitted to be distributed in digital form only. Next question is there any specific format defined for E-Rupi? So yes, there is a standard branding guidelines defined by NPCI to be followed for issuance of E-Rupees. Let's see next question. Is there any specific format defined for SMS string based E-Rupees? So yes, there is a standard format defined by NPCI for SMS form of E-Rupi. Next question, how cancellation or surrender of E-Rupi can be handled? And the answer is issuer shall ensure handling Cancellation, surrender of E-Rupi between E-Rupi customer and sponsor. Sponsor shall inform issuer about cancellation or surrender of E-Rupi to be updated in issuer's system. Issuer shall in turn ensure to decline redemption request on such E-Rupi. Let's see next question. Can E-Rupi be reloaded with money? And the answer is E-Rupi are non-reloadable and can be used one time only. Next questions. Any standard process defined by NPCI for distribution of E-Rupees? And the answer is there is no standard defined for distribution of E-Rupees. Bank sponsors can use channels such as email, SMS, WhatsApp, etc. to beneficiaries strictly in digital form. Next question is, can E-Rupi can be distributed in print form? And the answer is E-Rupi is permitted to be distributed in digital form only. Next question, is there any specific format defined for E-Rupi? So yes, there is a standard branding guidelines defined by NPCI to be followed for issuance of E-Rupi. Next question, is there any specific format defined for SMS string based E-Rupi? So yes, there is standard format defined by NPCI for SMS form of E-Rupi. Next question, what is the process for banks to participate in E-Rupi issuance process? And the answer is banks are required to certify with NPCI for participation as requiring bank for acceptance E-Rupi. Next question, is there any branding standard to be followed at merchant acceptance locations? So answer is yes, NPCI has defined standard branding guideline to be followed at acceptance location for redemption of E-Rupi. Questions, what is maximum value for which E-Rupi can be issued? And the answer is E-Rupi can be issued for 10,000 per voucher. Question, how E-Rupi beneficiary will know information such as expiry of E-Rupi? And the answer is the E-Rupi received to E-Rupi beneficiary will have all the basic information such as expiry date, purpose of the E-Rupi, contact details, etc. Next question, where can a E-Rupi beneficiary raise dispute related to E-Rupi based payments? And the answer is E-Rupi beneficiary should contact on the detail mentioned on E-Rupi for raising dispute on payments done using E-Rupi. Next question, what are the steps to be followed by E-Rupi beneficiary for redemption of E-Rupi? And the answer is below are the steps to be followed by E-Rupi beneficiary for redemption of a E-Rupi. Number 1, display E-Rupi either in the form of QR or SMS to the merchant for validation. Number 2, once the E-Rupi is validated, E-Rupi beneficiary will receive verification code on his mobile number to be entered on merchant device for verification. Number 3, once E-Rupi beneficiary is verified, E-Rupi will be redeemed. Next question, is there any charges applicable on E-Rupi beneficiary for using E-Rupi for payment? So the answer is no, there is no charge applicable on E-Rupi beneficiary for using E-Rupi. So friends, these are the questions related to E-Rupi. If you have any questions or doubt, you can ask me in comment section or you can mail me also. And for more important videos like this, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the notification bell. So see you in the next video. Thank you.